This file was encrypted using GNU PG privacy software. It is essentially a digital vault. You need both the GPG software and the private key passphrase to unlock it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's decrypt it. The final, quickest method is on the way. The efficacy of this tool hinges on the speed and analysis power of a single GPG file inspection program that services hundreds of formats. A GPG file is an encrypted file created using GNU Privacy Guard, GPG a free software implementation of the Open PGP standard. These files are used to protect the confidentiality and integrity of data through encryption and digital signatures. GPG files are commonly used for securing email communications, software packages, and other sensitive information. They ensure that only authorized recipients can access the contents. GPG files utilize cryptographic algorithms to encrypt data and create digital signatures. The file format includes metadata about the encryption method, key information, and signature details. GPG supports various encryption algorithms, including RSA, DSA, and ElGamal. The security of GPG files depends on the strength of the encryption algorithm and the security of the private key used for decryption. For viewing and interaction, GPG is most commonly opened via GNU Privacy Guard from GNU Project. Improper handling in Windows can corrupt the underlying system files severely. Windows presents just the file properties, while the secured content requires decryption to access. Your first step towards full access, right-click the GPG file and select Open With. If GNU Privacy Guard is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. If the GPG file won't open, don't panic. Your file is proving to be a real challenge. Let's conduct a series of targeted tests on these common points of system file failure right now. First, use GPG software. Open the file using a PGP GPG client like GNU PG, Gpg4win, GPGTools, or PGP desktop. Next, provide key password. You must use the correct private key and/or passphrase associated with the encrypted file to decrypt it. Finally, check integrity. If decryption fails, check the file integrity and verify the file was not corrupted during transfer. If no local program recognizes the GPG file, it likely indicates a naming overlap where your system is attempting to use the wrong tool for that specific format. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When the problem persists after using specialized software, the GPG problem lies in the format's complexity. FileMagick is engineered to master hundreds of formats that Windows ignores. Go to filemagick.com. Spread the word about this fix. Please hit the like button and subscribe for my latest videos. Don't forget to check out the Universal Viewer.